Hello, in this video I want to show you how to clean storage in XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. For this you can use the security app. Open this app and here find the cleaner. And you can clean up these gigabytes, or you can use the deep clean here. Or you have another way. Go to the setting on your phone and find the apps. Here click on the manage apps and choose any app, for example this, and click on the clear data and clear cache. Okay, this is another way, but I recommended the first, using the security app. And that's all for today. Goodbye.